Okay, this video is about the next coming months in Tesla and how we're going to try to make at least 20K or more off Tesla put credit spreads. As you already know in the news, the Tesla stock is rising. Right now is at 991, almost at 1,000. So a lot of analysts saying it will go to 1,200. It will go to probably 2,000. So we want to profit off the movement of the stock, and we want to try to do it as much as possible and keep trading it while it's bullish. So right here is a Tesla put credit spread with a max loss of 315. So we only risking $315 with a max profit of 680. Now the stock has to go to 1,040 in order to realize that price. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and make this spread. I've already did it. I've already made this put credit spread. So I'll make this quick credit spread. Once it reaches this amount, I close it out and I just move up I'll just do another put credit spread for, selling at this price and buying at that price. And then once it reaches 1,080, close it out and just keep moving on up or rolling it. And that's how we can pretty much turn maybe $1,000 into $5,000 to $10,000 to $20,000 just by riding the bullish train of Tesla using put credit spreads. Now, there's no guarantee that the stock will rise there. You could lose your initial amount, but based on the trend right now, it's moving up. So we want to ride it. We want to get on that train in order to get some of that profit that Wall Street is getting. So that is exactly how we're going to make 20K or more off Tesla in the next few months. I mean, I'm going to give you an update video. This is just the part one, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. So like I say, we'll start here, start small, put up like 300 to 1,000, turn it into this amount. The max profit is 685. When the stock reaches there, we take our profit and we go back in. We can either roll this. I don't know. I haven't rolled anything on Robinhood, but I know I can do this on TD Ameritrade. So we can roll it over to the next and just keep going, or just, close buy. So that's exactly how we're going to profit off the movement of Tesla. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. But I'm going to try to make at least 20K or more off the movement of the stock. So, all right. Y'all have a great day.